You're living in rural Jamaica and you see nice things on the internet, probably a big flat screen TV like this. And you're saying, you know what? You know, say me that buy one of them TV here online. But you're saying to yourself, if I buy it, I have to go to Kingston, go pick it up. I can't bother with that. Ray. I'm not wrong, yo. Kingston 4. Right? But I have good news for you. If you are living in rural Jamaica and you see things on the internet where you like and you want to buy, we are giving you the opportunity to go ahead, buy the things them where you like. We're going to ship them to Jamaica for you and get them delivered down to you via our exclusive partnership with Knoxford Express. Yeah, you heard me right. If you're living in the country, rural Jamaica, no worry yourself. You can still shop online and get your items delivered to you via Knoxford Express through this beautiful shipping company. If you are living overseas and you have family members here in Jamaica and you want to be able to send items to them, you can do that. We are going to allow you to sign up on our website. You'll be able to ship your packages to the address that we'll give you, and then we are going to get it and send it down through Knoxford Express to your family members down in the country. So alright, country people, we got to know covered, we got to know locked, no worry on yourself. You can ship your items with us. Go in Knoxford Express, collect them in AC Comfort. And when you go down to Knoxford, you don't have to pay no extra money. You just go down there with your ID. Guys, there's a link somewhere here. Click on the link. Join us today. Get your items shipped and delivered to you. All of my people them down in the country, love you no much. Me soon come. I'm gonna pick some mango for me. I want some ackee and somebody for chop cane. Alright? Love you no much. Go ahead, click the link, sign up, join us today. Love you.